go.
What if I wasn't ready?
We're talking into this one here.
What if I wasn't ready?
Huh?
I already played it. And I'm just like, when I stay away.
Gracie, it's going live right now, so.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Hey, Facebook family, this is Jeffrey Jansen. We are coming to you live. I'm here with my beautiful daughter, Gracie. We're on this one, but looking at everything else. You know, when you're live, you can't predict what's going to happen. Anyway, we want to wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas. Now, this is December 24th, 2019 today. It is Christmas Eve. And we hope and pray that each and every one of you have a blessed Christmas, that you spend it with family and friends, and that each and every one of you knows that you matter and you're important. No matter what, you're only a phone call away if you ever get depressed or ever need anything. Remember this, you matter to us, you matter to people out there. We just want each and every one of you to know that we love you and we care about you, and we hope and pray that you all have a blessed Christmas. And if you just need a friend to call, you're more than welcome to always call me. You can call your neighbors, you can go next door to your friends. Always know we have an open home and an open heart for each and every one of you. So from our house to yours, Gracie and I, if she's paying attention, would like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. To all my Marine Corps brothers and sisters out there that are deployed, go get them, Devil Dogs. To every one of my Army, Navy, Coast Guard, Marine, Merchant Marine, Reserve, National Guard, Navy, all my friends out there that are military, both active, reserve, veterans, and National Guard. You are heroes, and we are blessed to have each and every one of you. To all the firefighters, police officers, to all those men and women that work on the holidays to keep us all safe. You're in our prayers, and each and every one of you are heroes. To all the nurses and doctors that are at the hospitals, you guys are heroes, and we love each and every one of you. To all the teachers, school teachers, to all the truck drivers that drive America, each and every one of you are heroes, and we appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for being who you are. God bless each and every one of you. Have a very, very Merry Christmas. We will have a New Year one later.
It's just like I'm talking to you.
See, when it's live, this is what you got to deal with. Just kidding, I would never. Shh, child abuse, right? Anyway, we love each and every one of you. We just want you to all know, and we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for being our friends. Thank you for our family. Thank you to everybody out there that has basically been with us for many years. We appreciate each and every one. To all of our new friends, we look forward to doing a lot more in 2020 with you. So from our house to yours, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks, everybody. God bless. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
You do know this is live, right? And when you do that face, people see that. I think you forget this is live. Wow.
Okay, whatever.
Really? You just said whatever. Now we got the next one to do, which is the YouTube. You ready?
Can I say it now?
Say what?
No, I can say it.
You can say whatever you want. Actually, YouTube, they like you more than they like me, so.